Hey guys, Cyrus here from Talking About Phones. Today we are looking at Huawei's new line of 2018 Y series phones. This one is called the Y7 Prime. Now this phone is for 20,000 Pakistani rupees, and the great part about this device is the features. Let's open the box. Let's take a side here. Here. This is the box. This is the warranty card which comes with it. Quite a tight box. Okay, so just moving out of the way. So here we have the device. Okay, we get a screen protector with the device which comes in the box. You have your name tags. Let's open. What else do we have? So we have the SIM ejector tool over here. We have some guide books. We get a back protector as well. It's a rubber transparent black cover. So here you have your transparent back cover which goes with the phone, and you have your standard dock and your charging cables. Okay, this is an interesting color. All three are different. This is white, the headphones are black, and the USB cable is basically silver, which you normally don't see. Okay, so just looking at the headphones, you have your standard 3.5 millimeters. Now coming towards the phone. Okay guys, so you can see that the device has a dual camera setup at the back with a fingerprint scanner over here. Other specs include a full view 5.99 inches display. It's not full HD, it's 720p, but of course for the price that's just fine. It all runs on Android 8.0, which is based on Oreo, and of course you have 3GB RAM and 32GB internal memory. Just taking out the sticker. You can see here guys that the display is quite big, but even though it's almost a 6-inch device, the good thing about this device is that because the phone does not have a lot of width, that is why it's not very difficult to hold in one hand. At the back you can see that it's plastic finish, but it has a aluminum outer frame which goes through the whole device. There's a back panel here as well, so you guys can get a better view of it. For a 20,000 rupees phone, this is actually a very pretty looking phone. So of course you have your power button over here, you have your volume rockers, and the device comes with 3 ports, so that means that you can have dual SIMs and a separate port for your memory card as well, and that is around 256 GB up. Then that you have your mini USB, your 3.5mm jack, of course is very important, and your speaker grip. Let's open the device so far. While the device starts, just a brief recap. The device is powered by a Snapdragon 450 processor, 3 GB RAM, 32 GB internal storage, with dual camera setup with 13 megapixel and a 2 megapixel camera, which is of course which will help you in bokeh pictures. That means the blur effect which comes in the background when you take a selfie, or even you take somebody's portrait picture. You have your singular selfie camera in the front, and you have Huawei written at the, so you basically, you can see over here is that the device has very small bezels, and pretty much the front of the device is full display. Let's just start this up. Yeah, guys, so you can see that even though this device has a 720p resolution, it's still quite a bright display. You can see here is that it has the Huawei UI theme on top of it, but what you can notice over here is that when you change the brightness settings, it actually has a wide range. So when you have no brightness to actually having full brightness, so it is quite decent in that perspective. You go in settings. So of course even the settings is Huawei themed, and you go about, yeah. So here you have your Huawei Prime 2018 running Android 8.0. So of course, so you have swipe to Google Now straight on the main launcher, which they have recently introduced. It wasn't there before. And of course, you if you don't want all your apps to be on the main screen, you can always go in settings and open the taskbar from there. Okay guys, that was it from our unboxing video. If you liked it, please like the video, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do so, because the full review of the device is coming pretty soon. Okay guys, until next time, take care, bye bye.